Working for Medcor allows me to do what I do as an EMT, but in like a more calm, controlled setting.
Medcor is an occupational health services company, and we really want to hire people who really care about the patient.
It's occupational health. It's different from what we do in the field, but once you get it down, it's a very rewarding place to be in. Knowing that there's folks walking around the site that I steered them in the right direction, that's rewarding for me.
It feels like you're actually helping people and you're not just kind of like brushing them aside or just giving them a Band-Aid.
Something that I think people don't realize about my job is that it's actually really fun. In a way, this site has become my community. I'm here every single day. I've made a lot of connections here that have become really personal to me.
It's kind of amazing. Our culture here just really wins over a lot of people, and that could sound corny in a way, but I think we're all really proud of that.
A lot of companies will tell you that we're a family. This place actually does feel like a family. You don't feel like you're alone. Someone's always here to help you.
The most important thing to me when it comes to working at a company is feeling valued and respected, and I definitely feel valued working at Medcor.
Medcor is the first company where I actually felt seen. I feel appreciated. I feel so connected to this company and the people that we work with.
I think it's a great career path. Community's great, work-life balance as well.
I really didn't have much of a work-life balance with my previous employer. It is so much better for me now. Since I moved on to Medcor, there is so much flexibility with it.
Medcor paves this path for you to grow in your nursing career, and I'm just grateful to be part of a team like this, of a company like this.
The way that Medcor is different in comparison to other places that I've worked for is the human element. I feel like we try our best here to recognize that yes, we have numbers and things and quotas that we have to meet, but we also are dealing with human beings.
I do tell people this is probably the best company I've ever worked for. Just in the way they treat you, and they know you're human, they know things come up.
I think for someone who's lucky enough to be hired by Medcor, I'd say go for it. You won't regret it. It's one of the best decisions I've ever made.